Grand Rising. Accidentally slept with these in. Anyway. It's another nice and warm, sunny day today, but the wind has returned. So look out there. Looks pretty good. So I'm about to probably live stream and go and do my sun salutations. Because yeah, I'm actually feeling a little bit muscular, which is nice, especially with all the healing coming along and up. I spoke to someone yesterday actually on live who has some slip disc injury for the last couple of months, actually just the last month, and numbness in their left arm. So yeah, I feel guided, like I could feel that as I was talking to them, so I feel very guided to help them. Felt very much like Cornelius in that moment. Like consciousness was trying to give me the information needed to heal this person somewhere on the other side of the earth, basically. But yes, today I do feel like I need to continue off from yesterday and find some peace in nature after my morning activities. And yeah, much like the day before, the morning I haven't done my cards yet, so it kind of bleeds into the next day quite often. So it's a little bit tricky. You just have to watch more of my videos. Oh. Alright, we've got Epiphany and Blocked in there again, as from yesterday. Added in some anguish. Today is a day of hard work, but given what the energies are like lately, I don't think it's going to be like as bad as it sounds. It's just, yeah, I need to get out into that meditating out in nature. But even that's just the epiphany. I'm absorbing what's not mine. That's why I need to get away from, the house at least, and the defenselessness that I feel is the anguish, definitely. And I'm sick of saying sorry, really. But maybe my mum might actually have some sorry in her. And yeah, just still being the leader I wish I had. I wish I had someone to support me like me, but it is what it is. I've got to remove this feeling of blockedness because of this, pave a new path. Very simple, but just sweetened with some xylitol, my banana, heat it up with my oats, and throw in some berries. Simple but delicious. Look at that. Back from the shops and got my Australia Post delivery there. But I was just looking over this and just realising, I think this anguish, uprooting the past wrongs, is sorry to myself for feeling so defenseless. And be the leader I wish I had. This is the hard work, bringing myself up this ladder, being a bit easier on myself. I think that's a bit of broccoli. Anyway, and the epiphany, absorbing what's not mine, all of that whole thing. But I think to be the leader I wish I had, I do still need to do some meditation on that silently. There's always some sort of noise going on. It's been a while since I have burnt the toilet paper, so it's kind of full, but yeah, I'm gonna cook some meatballs out here today. Burning. Making some more wood. Diva's helping. I had to use the pumpkin pot because it's just very mild in flavour. And yeah, got some organic meatballs I got on special, and just that was the closest thing I saw. So chuck them all in. And this is very, very unfortunate, but that's gonna likely maybe stain. Kitties, oh my god. Basically done, but I'm gonna go and change my top. He's just so cute. You just want to go for a walk, hey? I'm gonna go tell Phoebe. That's done for later. And now to just go for a walk with the kitty cats and my daughter. You wanna go for a walk, Diva? Hey? You wanna come over here? Diva, Diva. We're waiting for Mary. I heard her. Here's Mary. Finished her pooping. Mary's hot. Halfway through our little walk is Diva. Thought you might say that. And in the distance there is Deacon.
If I stepped on the look.
Maybe, yeah. Diva's finding a little cozy spot as well, which is a very weird spot to pick, but it's a Diva. And Deacon's decided to have a lie down. I think, anyway. Time to bring the kitties back in because they seem tired. I should have taken a picture or something of the delicious chicken satay wraps I just made. So good. Even the little one enjoyed it as well. And yeah, wrote it down in my book as something I can do quite frequently as well. And it's healthy. With the satay paste I get from the Whole Food Refillery. But yeah, bit of a break. She's going back to read her book. And yeah, I might have to do some more dishes. I already did some dishes today. But there's just more and more of them when there's 2 people to feed. The sun is setting on a beautiful day. The kookaburras were just about to make a noise and they stopped though. And I'm actually watching a movie again. This one is Garfield though.
About me that no one's ever heard before, featuring someone in my life you've never met. I don't know about you, but
Oh, good luck, Garfield.
Oh yeah, John Delivery. Welcome to the future.
Forgot to do a last little message. But regardless, it was a good night. Nothing too exciting. Another live stream, which was great and fun. But I guess it did flow really beautifully. The way information came through and I was able to say things that I wanted to say. So thank you all for being there, whoever was there, and contributing to a fun Saturday night live. And that's it.